Powerful stuff, huh? I love Craig's black and white approach to life, because there aren't any grey areas with living a life dedicated to God. It's not something you can do half committed. Spending more time with God to get more under his influence might not be easy on two levels. For example, watching the latest box set on Netflix in one go might seem more appealing than watching just one episode, then praying, reading the Bible and watching a couple of worship songs. So actually swinging that time balance towards God might not be an easy step to make in itself. Couple that with actually being able to draw enough from what you've read, learnt and sung to be able to have complete faith in God's plan isn't easy. No one ever said it would be though. This journey through life is never going to be easy. Of course, we're going to be challenged with different things. But I do believe that the more time you spend under God's influence, the easier the challenges become to handle. Let's sing again.